How to make and create anniversary Instagram story on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top and click on create a design right here. Search for Instagram story and click on it. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now go here on this side and scroll down like this until you find the anniversary option right here. As you can see, here is it right here. Now anniversary Instagram story, click on see all and choose a template here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now you can change the picture, you can change the text, everything can be changed as you can see. After you finish, go to the top here and click on download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.